Look, the world has changed. Everything is digital. You need digital marketing. It's survival. People spend time on their phones. This is where your customers are. Meet them there. Someone needs what you sell. Your audience is out there. Digital marketing connects you. Build a sustainable future. You ready? Let's go. 30 days, 1 month. That's all it takes. Build a foundation, see results. Focus on one platform each week. Dive deep. We'll cover Facebook, Instagram, Google Ads, LinkedIn, YouTube. These platforms can change your game. Let's get after it. Facebook is a beast. 2 billion users. It's about connection. Build a killer business page. High-quality images, engaging videos. Give people a reason to like. Post consistently. Educate, entertain, inspire. Build a community. Use Facebook ads. Track your results. Tweak and optimize. Instagram is all about aesthetics. High-quality visuals are key. Think stunning photography, eye-catching graphics, captivating videos. Your feed should tell a story. It should be cohesive. Use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. Engage with your followers. Respond to comments. Run contests and giveaways. Collaborate with influencers. Get people talking about your brand. Use Instagram stories to share behind-the-scenes content and connect with followers. Google Ads. Laser-focused traffic at your fingertips. Want instant traffic? Google Ads is your answer. It's a pay-to-play game. Keywords are key. Do your research. Find out what your target audience is searching for. Use those keywords in your ad copy. Target your ads like a boss. Track your conversions. This is crucial. LinkedIn, building your empire of influence. LinkedIn is the place to be for professionals. If you're B2B, this platform is your goldmine. Optimize your profile like it's your resume. Share valuable content related to your industry. Network like your life depends on it. Section 7. YouTube. Unleash the power of video. Video is king, and YouTube is its kingdom. People love watching videos. It's engaging, it's informative, it's entertaining. Create high-quality videos that provide value, tutorials, product demos, behind-the-scenes glimpses, vlogs. Get creative. Optimize your videos for search. Use relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags. Promote your videos on other social media platforms. Engage with your viewers. Build a community around your channel. Section 8. Keep hustling, motivation, and measuring your wins. Listen, this isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Stay motivated, set goals, track progress, celebrate wins, find a community, support each other, ask for help, use resources, mentors, courses, books, podcasts, study others, adapt and implement, never stop learning.